What up though, it's Philip J, and today I'm going to show you what the new Samsung Galaxy S boxes look like and how they compare to last year's model. Samsung released the Galaxy S21 lineup this year without headphones and a power supply. They did this as a way to cut carbon emissions and become a more eco-friendly company. So they shipped all their phones in significantly smaller boxes, as you can see. Truthfully, we all know this is BS. This was a cost-cutting measure to save money, and it did help because the Galaxy S21 phones are $200 cheaper compared to last year's model, but also it did come with lower specs, so take that in consideration as well. The sad part about this is Samsung made fun of Apple for shipping their new phones without chargers, and now it hasn't even been 6 months and they're doing the exact same thing on their lineups. And this is really pathetic from Samsung, and it shows you how being desperate for attention can actually backfire. And this is coming from a Samsung user for the past 4 years too. Sad. Now, let me show you what the box looks like. The length of the phone has stayed pretty much the same, but right here is the big difference. You can see how the width, how much skinnier it is. Now let's compare it side by side with the Samsung S9 box. The length is still about the same, but the width is where you'll see the major difference at. Otherwise, I mean, it's pretty simple on the back. There's nothing really special up or down. Let's do an unboxing of the Galaxy S21 to see what you can expect inside. Now, keep in mind, the phone is not inside the box as I'm using it to film this video. So let's just open it up. The unboxing experience is pretty simple and bare bones. I've seen coffee makers that have a better unboxing actually. So you have this little page on top, really nothing on it, just says Samsung. The phone would be right here. And at the bottom, you have this package. On the back of this, you have the SIM card tool. Then you have, when you open it up, you have just a bunch of warranty papers here that you're never gonna read. And then the only other thing they give you in the box is USB Type-C cable. Now the issue that I have with this cable is that it's double-ended USB Type-C. And as you remember, all the old Samsung phones had a Type-A to Type-C cable. So this can't be used. So what that means is you'll need to actually get another cable, a USB Type-A, which is your old one, or you have to keep your old charger because Samsung doesn't provide that. I used my 3-year-old charger that came with my Samsung S9 to charge the S21, and it still works, and it has the adaptive fast charge, which is really good. The cost of a new charger is $20 on the Samsung website, but they sell them without cables. So make sure you keep the one that came in the box. I guess Samsung is cost cutting by shipping cables in different boxes. Let me show you an unboxing of the Samsung S29 and show you how big of a difference it is. Now the unboxing for this is much better. So you first, the real box is inside this paper, and then you actually have to open it up from the side. Now look at that, that's beautiful. This is actually really durable material. And you open this up. This has the SIM card tool that must have fell out somewhere, and then the inside you have all the other papers and everything else. Now here is where the phone would be, so let's open that up. All right, now look at this. This is what you don't have and why the other box is so much smaller. So first, you have a nice pair of AKG headphones that I still use to this day, really quality. Okay, then here you have the actual charger that I'm using for my S21 and the Type-A to Type-C cable. Then here you have an adapter from Type-A to Type-C adapter also. And look at this, they even included these extra padding for the headphones too. A lot more material they actually included, and just way better experience to unbox. As consumers, we all lose. When I buy something, I want everything that comes with it. It's just like buying food. If you buy a hamburger, yeah, I want pickles on it, onions, cheese, anything that it comes with that's free, yeah, I'll take it. And same thing goes here for phones. If I'm spending $800, you know damn well I want my charger and headphones with it. And that's it for this video. I'll leave links in the description on where you can purchase chargers and USB Type-C to aux adapters. Make sure you leave this video a like and share your thoughts below. See ya.